The storm system continues to move through the Midwest and the Great Lakes. This is going to be bringing in some much cooler air to the north. But out ahead of that, it is still very hot and sticky with some severe weather concerns and even some locally heavy rainfall. Take a look at all of the active weather yesterday. A lot of yellow reports or dots. Those indicate the wind damage reports from southeastern Minnesota into Wisconsin, even into Michigan. But an active day yesterday with locally heavy rainfall as well. In fact, we had reports of 1 to 2+ inch rainfall tallies. Marquette, Michigan yesterday, 1.61 inches of rain. And it was very warm out ahead of this front. 93 Chicago, 95 in St. Louis, but much cooler to the far north. In fact, 61 only in Bismarck and 69 in International Falls. Temperatures yesterday there were a good 10 to almost 20 degrees below average. Still going to be hot today. Heat advisories, excessive heat warnings for southeastern and portions of Iowa and in Missouri. Illinois, St. Louis is under that excessive heat warning for feels like temperatures that could be approaching 106 to maybe even 110, but we may struggle to get to the 60-degree mark as you head farther north. So along that battleground, we have severe weather concerns. It's a slight risk from lower Michigan all the way to Kansas City, Missouri. Large hail, damaging winds, the primary threat, and then the threat for severe weather does shift a little bit farther south on Wednesday, but thunderstorms return late Thursday across the Midwest. So here's your active weather later on today. Locally heavy pockets of rain, maybe some 1 to 2+ inch tallies there, and again looking at some heavier, cooler air to the north.